Hello, dear students. This is Suyeshia Vineet, and you're hearing me on NEET Shala. Today, I'm going to discuss a very important topic for all our NEET 2021 aspirants, means the students who are going to come and sit for the upcoming NEET examination. So, if you are confused regarding how to plan for NEET, how to complete the syllabus on time, and how to revise, then now no need to take any tension further because NEET Shala is up with a plan, with a proper schedule. And before I tell you our plan, I would like to tell you one important thing I think which plays the very important role in your preparation time is that our plan is such that your 11th and 12th syllabus will be covered almost at the same time. We are not just focusing on 11th or not just on 12th. We are taking both the syllabus side by side so that you do not feel tense that, oh shit, I only did 11th and I didn't do 12th. Okay, so that's our idea. And now let me tell you, it's a weekly target based strategy, weekly test based on the plan. We are going to take weekly test. Yes, we had been taking before also. Those students who are connected to us know it well. Customized test based on students week portion after every 3 week. Now suppose you gave the test and we could come to know that yes, your this portions are weak, so we'll try to give you more questions related to those topic. Okay, and those which are your already strong portions, you already know it, then we'll reduce the questions of them. So we are actually going to focus on your weak areas, okay, on our app. And yes, daily motivation dose, everyone needs it. Yeah, yes or not? So okay, and full length mock tests we are going to have. We give you special handwritten notes, your audio books to which you'll have shared lots and lots of love. And you will come to know your weak areas after test, your full analysis chapter wise and subject wise. And you can daily take 2 chapter wise test according to your choice, which is a very big thing. Like 2 chapters daily you can give test. Okay, and 12,000 plus important high yield MCQ bank plus explanation. So see, you're getting enough of tests, you're getting enough of questions, and that's only needed for NEET examination. And we also have doubt discussion forum. We are already running on our NEET Shala app, and also we are there on many social networking sites which you all know and should connect us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp. Okay, and why NEET Shala plan? Because sometimes, and especially in this COVID times, it's really very difficult to go through coaching. And हम सबको पता होता है कि कोचिंग में जैसे टीचर्स पढ़ाते हैं वो ऑनलाइन कितना पढ़ा पाएंगे. ठीक है, so NEET Shala has given such a plan, pre-planned preparatory routine we have planned for to focus on your weaker areas. Teachers will teach you, but every student has got different weak areas. Somebody will understand this and not that, while it will be different for other students. So we have to take care of everyone. So what we are doing is focusing on the weak areas of every single student, because when you give on app the test, that will help us to know your weaker areas. We are always going to keep an eye on what you are doing. Okay, or what you're doing means in terms of giving test. Okay, students have tons of study material but don't know how to use it, so we are going to put it on a synchronized process. And difference between long term and short term means long term additionally you get extra 5 full mock tests, so you should also enroll, and WhatsApp guidance till NEET exam, and revision based weekly booster plan. And how to enroll in this plan is very important. So for that you need to have a phone, your Android or laptop or tab, and visit the NEET Shala app. You can download the app from Play Store, and for iPhone and laptop visit neetshala.com, same as app. Okay, it's same as app. So for iPhone users and laptop I said, and for others like tab and Android phones. And then you need to log in or sign up. And yes, do keep your passwords and mail ID properly right on a place. Sometimes we miss out our password, so don't do that. And go at the plan section, subscribe the plan. Your activated plan will be shown at your profile. Okay, and you can set your target score at profile option. If your score is less than your target score in any chapter, you will get that chapter in customized test again, so that you can improve your weak areas. So see, suppose you aim to score 600 and you're scoring 580, so there is a section where you can put your target and write there that yes, I have to score 600, and then until you score you'll get tests and your weaker areas related questions will be given more, and so that you achieve your target, and not just achieve your target by easy questions, by doing those questions where you were weak. Okay, so that's one thing. And how much do I need to pay? That's the very important thing. So for all your audiobooks, for all your paying attention to your weaker areas, for your tests, question banks, MCQ series, audiobooks, for everything, what you have to do is you have to pay 999 for short term plan and 1999 rupees for long term plan, one time till exam of 2021. Mind this. Okay, so we hope that Neetchala is giving you a lot of facilities, so we hope you'll join us and be a part of Neetchala family and crack NEET with Neetchala. Thank you, dear students, we love you a lot. Stay safe, stay blessed, all the best.